One of the feds, my friend. When I see my brother, then I bless my friend. Cause that's my friend, can't forget my friend. John Charles, the Manez, my friend. Member, Stephen Lawrence, my friend. I see the evidence and it says that not one of them's my friend. Yes, my you. Made me in his image in the flesh, my you. Fling a fire upon the wicked in the west, my you. I can never mix some wickedness, my you. Righteousness, my you. Manifest, my you. And never let my innocence dilute. Since I'm my you, I always kept my roots. Sent the devil down to come test my youth. Possess my youth. Run up on the set and then I bless my youth. Listen to the message that I sent my youth. I don't know about you, but in anything I do, I represent my youth. I rest my brother neck to any next excuse. Fling him in the pen, but he'll be back soon. Wait until he gets let loose. Hold the meds and never let your head get confused. Yes, my friend. Do you have any friends in the building? Do you have any friends in the building? So when I say friends and you say fam, friends and fam, friends and fam. Alright, we have to, you them, but we have to go back to the artists that come before us. So we're going to evoke the spirit of all the artists that have come and gone, like Tubby T.
Word.
Like Jimi Hendrix. Let's run the ghost of Jimmy. Yeah. Okay, and we went straight to the remix. We didn't even bother with the original. One the original right now. This one's the gas one. Is it ready, yeah? Right. Let me start it from string up the bass in the speaker. Scan cup, jumper, swing mine. Anytime in the bass line. On and I like it, go kick. When I business with my neighbor. 16 bars, 16. And I wheel up when the bass line. When the bass line lit. Feel it in my soul, feel it in my spirit. Listen, but they don't hear it in a mix. Go sit Jimi Hendrix. Then the rockin', Eddie Hendrix. So sick, everybody better get a them sick. Look down the world, pandemic. When I kick, drum kick, and the bass line. When the bass line lick, ain't nothing sweet like reggae music. And I would split if I never knew this. Prove this style, let me prove it. Exclusive, top plate, let me lose it. Can't control it, my body moving. No say lies, not with the roses. This music got me under hypnosis. Got the itty and that back boy, watch you that bro. Let me get that tape, everybody in the place. Start make that face to this fun. Tell them about mercy and grace. Study this thing, now I pick up the mic and I body this thing. BBQ grill, carry this thing 20 years now, more than I'll be this thing when me sing. When the bass line lick, feel it in my soul, feel it in my spirit. Listen when they didn't hear it in a mix. Go send Jimi Hendrix, David Ruffin, Eddie Hendrix, so sick, everybody better get a limb sick. Look down the world, pandemic, when I kick, drum kick and a bass line. Let me start it from string up the bass in the speaker. Scan cup, dump and swing my. Anytime when the bass line, on and I like it, go kick. 16 bars, 16, and I wheel up when the bass line. Let me start it from top, string up the bass in the speaker box. Scan cup, dump and swing my locks. Anytime when the bass line drops, on and I like it, go kick rocks. 3 bars, 16 shots, when I business if my neighbor knocks. Right, car. All I see is wonders and the signs, aligning with the powers that no one can undermine. That's why they hate for see we reach the finish line. But Jah Almighty show me all things happen in due time. So rewind and kill them with the wonders and the signs, aligning with the powers that no one can undermine. That's why they hate for see we reach the finish line. But Jah Almighty show me all things happen in due time. When I say BM, you say TT. BM, BM. When I say BM, you say TT. BM, BM. Lift up that selector. You have to squeeze the milk of life, you know?